Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal details on your account center, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines. Now click settings, and now click personal details. And here, as you see, you will find personal details. Click on it. Here you will find all your personal details, your contact information, your birthday, and your identity confirmation. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.